Hey, what's up, Fight World? It is your boy once again. Feeling good this morning. I hope the United States of America is feeling good. I pledge allegiance to the flag, home of the free and the brave. Tears are thee, sweet land of liberty. For thee I see. And yes, I say the words with cynicism. I say them words with proud. I say them words with strength. I say them words because we have an undisputed middleweight champion of the world. And her name is Claressa T-Rex Shields. That's right. She did what no other woman ever done since but one. And that was over a century ago. She done what no woman have ever done. She was undisputed 8-0. You can't get no better than that. You betting 1,000, not 100, 1,000. Sure, you undefeated, but look how you undefeated. You 9-0, but you undisputed. Undisputed. You are the best middleweight in the motherfucking world. You did what a certain heavyweight refused to do. You went after that one belt. One belt that heavyweight had to go after. One belt you had to capture, Claressa Shields. And that was the WBO that Hammer possesses. You took that from her 24-0 veteran ass. You took that jab away. It was her finesse, her jab against your poise and power. She couldn't handle your power. That's why she would shoot a shot and grab you in a headlock. Because she didn't like what was coming back at her. That's what I'm talking about. That's boxing, people. This what KQ, KC preach about every day. Sometimes twice a day, sometimes 4 times a day. Hell, sometimes 7 times a day. That's what I preach. I preach fundamentals. She won the gold medal twice in the Olympics. The highest you can ever go in the amateur boxing ranks. And she hit gold twice. You know why? Her fundamentals. Olympics, amateur, teach you your fundamentals. That's where it all began. That's where it all began. Over 50% of Americans that went to the Olympics has become champions. That's a fact. Look it up. KQKC ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. The OG is in the motherfucking house. I get it. I understand. This is a video and not a live stream. But you got to be goddamn happy and proud this morning. You should be going outside and getting your paper this morning with your chest out. It's snowing here in Chicago. I stood outside and drunk my coffee in awe. Oh, yes, in awe. Now, I should have recorded the fight last night, but I didn't. Don't know what I'm thinking of. But I was rushing, trying to get on, so I can do what the LDBC always does. Cater to our subscribers. Some at work. Some have to pay an electric bill beside a cable bill. Some have to eat besides watching the cable bill. And I don't blame you. So I can provide something that the subscribers can't get or have. And we and me, the whole LDBC, want to say thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Every last one of the LDBC that called the fight live last night, including myself, we want to thank you. We want to thank you for tuning in. And we want to thank you for being great Americans. And we also want to give praise to Carissa Shields. Because she did what she said she was going to do. And I'm going to have to admit, I was surprised. I had to eat a little crow this morning. Now, I didn't say that she was going to do that, but I had in back of my mind, please, Carissa, don't get hyper. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't get excited. Don't throw your punches wide. Be precise. Don't waste punches. Let the knockout come to you. If it's not there, don't go for it. And that's what she did. She didn't get the knockout. She was damn near close. Once she had Hammer in that corner, and Hammer was taking 3, 4, 5 unanswered shots in the face, then guess what? She grabbed her by the head. Now, I don't know what's going on with that woman referee, but she should have had a point taken away. She did too much holding. But I get it. I understand Christina Hammer. The Shield broke that hammer last night. That's right. It did. It broke that hammer. And I understand. I get it. The body shots was hurting. I understand. I get it. She hits hard, don't she? I understand. I get it. She can box, can she? Oh, I understand, and I get it. She got her fundamentals together, don't she? Whoa, high accolades to John Davis. He had her ready. Andre Ward had her ready. She fought a beautiful, thought-out fight last night. I'm so excited that I can jump for joy again. Because we have an American woman doing what a man couldn't do. She had 3 belts. She wasn't scared to step in there with 8-0 on her record against someone 24-0. She stepped in there like a man. And this certain heavyweight should be ashamed of his fucking self. He should put his head in a hole. Because a woman outdid his ass last night. That's real motherfucking talk for your ass. KQ, KC, don't hold back shit. I'm going to tell you how it is or how it should be. That's why I always say, subscribe to KQ, subscribe to KC, but subscribe at your own fucking risk. You know why? Because you will get some answers from me But you might not like the answers. But I'm going to tell you anyway. See, that's one thing about the LDBC. We keep shit honest and upfront in your motherfucking face. You like it or not? Oh, well. But some men, some women appreciate the truth. Some men, some women appreciate the tenacity. Some men, some women appreciate the LDBC. Oh, yes. KQ, KC, I'm working. Oh, I am working. My mic went out last night. I said, hey, fuck it. The fight ain't on yet. Don't go nowhere. I jumped right back in the saddle and continued on. Don't worry. Don't fret. We got us a new champion from Flint, Michigan. She wore her high school colors in the ring last night. She came down there jamming last night. She was feeling good last night. You ought to. You made Flint, Michigan. You made the Midwest. You made the state of Michigan. You made, goddamn, the United States of America proud last night. And we want to thank you. We want to thank you. Thank you, Sister Carissa. Thank you for focusing. Thank you for focusing on the right thing. Thank you for bringing it home where it belongs. Thank you. I'm KQ. KC Boxing. If you like the content of this video, I need you to subscribe today. Subscribe today and hit the icon bell. Once you hit the icon bell, you will get notified each and every time I do a video, a live stream, or my daily show at 12:30 p.m. right after for non-international boxing. Oh, yes. KQ, KC, tell this shit just like it is. That's right. We are proud of our sister, Carissa Shields. Now, we have to be proud of Earl Spence or Deontay Wilder. Who will step up and be the next unification fight? Who will step up and put all the belts on the line? Who, I say? I say who? We know women mature faster than men. But please, that young man from the UK, one belt stands between you and greatness. One belt. But you won't go get it. I can't blame Mr. Hearn anymore. I can't blame Shelly Finkel anymore. I can't blame Deontay Wilder anymore. I can't blame Al Heyman anymore. But I tell you one person I can blame. Because the heart is not there. The courage is not there. And that's Anthony A.J. Joshua. Again, KQ, KC Boxing. Shout out to the LDBC. I'm on to the next one, baby. Peace and love.